Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have another Temu haul, and actually something from Amazon too I'm going to throw in here. But I didn't do Temu for quite a while, for several months, and then I've back to doing, I've done 2 or 3 in the last couple months. So anyway, I'm going to share this one. This one's kind of a small one. I tend to shop more towards summertime. So anyway, and I don't know why, but I like to get summer dresses and stuff. So anyway, I guess we'll just get started and see what we got here. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. If you want to support my channel, you can do so by hitting the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much, so thank you for that. And if you can believe it, I have no shoes in this haul. I think it's just mainly clothing stuff. Oh, I do have shoes. Duh. Gotta have shoes, right? I always have shoes. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started here. I did show in my last Temu haul. In fact, I was gonna try on more of these dresses, but I just have not liked the way they've been fitting me. And I know their sizes because I know I wear things from there that have been nice and fit me well. So I don't know. Like I think, did I get this one? I don't know if I got this one at Amazon or Temu, but I got this one at one of them. Anyway, I'm donning my purple look today. If you want to check out, I have a video showing my Ice Cream Beauty stuff I received this last month. And anyway, so I did a purple look with that. But here's a pink dress. Now, I have had one similar to this that I showed. I think this one's going to be better. The last batch, I have a certain length I need my dresses to be, either like midi length, or I like either just to my knee or just around like the middle of my knee or whatever. And so I look at the sizing charts and they're not always accurate, I found. So that's kind of a bummer. So that's the problem I'm having with some of these dresses. They're just too short on me for what I like. Don't have the prettiest legs. So anyway, but here's this dress. I do really like that dress, and I have a feeling this one is gonna fit me well. So I'm excited about that. When you purchase at Temu, make sure after you try on or use a thing, I just give you this little tip. Make sure you put it back in the bag it came from, because if you have to return it, they want it returned in the same bag. And a lot of times I'll just get everything out of the bags and then I don't know which bag is which. But anyway, so the next thing, and I kind of said this in my last Temu haul, I love these dresses like this, and they're just really comfortable. And I bought a bunch like a year or two ago. I didn't buy a bunch. I had like three colors or something. And they're this nice like polyester, just anyway, wrinkle free, but just a polyester, silky. So that you actually can wear these out, but then they started sending them in a knit fabric that looked a lot more like pajamas. And I was trying, and I'd look at the description and think I was getting this, what I had originally purchased, and they were all coming in to be knit. So I don't know how I found this one. It was like an individual one only in this color, but it ended up being like the kind I like. So that was a good thing. So the next thing I have here is my shoes. I just thought these were cute. I needed something light pink, and I'll show you something else pink that I got that these look cute with. But there we go. Just kind of fun slip-ons with just summer. This is what I wear in the summer, or you can wear them with swimsuit. Anyway, so there's those. And One more time. There's those. I don't know if I showed them good. Okay. The next thing I'm going to pull out here is a light pink that kind of goes with that. This is a top, and I have no idea how it's going to look, but it's kind of a peplum. Oh, it looks very see-through, so I don't know about that, but it's long, and I don't know. It's just, I just thought it was really pretty, and I don't know if you can see, it's got a ruffle sleeve, but I don't think you can see the fabric. It's just a little, it's kind of a faint seersucker kind of stripe. Anyway, so hopefully that'll fit. It looks big. Looks pretty big, but it's the kind of style you can wear big. But anyway, so there's that. And I have no idea what this is. Is this the last thing I have in here? I thought I bought more than that. I told you it was a small haul. But this is, okay. So I think this one's a black dress just like the pink one, which I think these dresses are gonna work out pretty good for me. So it's just black. It's, again, it's kind of a seersucker. The material, it has just, I don't know if you can tell, but anyway, it's kind of fun fabric. So there's that. In my last haul, I think I had to send back 4 dresses. So I just keep ordering them to see what is gonna hit right or fit right for me. But I do like their return policy is pretty decent, so I like that. So there is actually one more thing here from Temu. All my pink. Guys, I don't know. I'm just a pink girl. What can I say? So this, I got a J, and I just kind of wanted to see. It's kind of small, but I thought it'd be cute in this room, like back on my shelf or something. So it's really pretty. There was another one I was thinking about getting the letters that say beauty or whatever and putting it in here, since that's, anyway, what I love is beauty products. But anyway, so there's that. And then I'm sharing one thing I got from Amazon, and the thing is I actually bought a dress just like this on Temu, and I loved it. And you guys probably, those of you who follow me long enough, probably know or remember that. I'm trying to find a place to open this. I had it's just a pink with red hearts dress I used to wear like a lot of times in February or whatever. And it's just a really cute dress. I really liked it. Now this one is the same style, same, anyway, there's the sleeve, and it's just in a red gingham. So I don't know, it's looking like it might have a weird fit up here, but we'll see. So it's just kind of a red and white gingham. I wanted that. I think that'd be so cute with some little red sandals or whatever. It's kind of a longer dress, so I'm excited about that. And that was from Amazon. Anyway, so that's it for my little haul, my little Temu haul. Not a lot of stuff, but it's fun. I still have one order with them waiting to be, I actually had returned some stuff, so I'm using my credit to make another purchase. But I think I pretty much have my summer my dresses lined up for summer, so probably won't be buying more of those. I'm still kind of filling in shoes because a lot of my shoes are small on me or big on me, so I have to get smaller size. So I'm working on my shoe. I have so many shoes though, you guys, it's ridiculous. If I showed you my closet, I have racks and racks of shoes, but unfortunately a lot of them are too big on me now. So anyway, we'll see what happens there. But I appreciate you guys being here. I thank you so much for your support. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Any suggestions you have for my channel, I would appreciate. And I guess that's it. So I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.